Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of growing and enjoying elephant garlic. If you're looking to add some flavor and beauty to your garden or simply want to spice up your kitchen with this delicious bulb, you're in the right place. What is elephant garlic? First things first, what exactly is elephant garlic? Despite its name, elephant garlic isn't true garlic but rather a type of leek. It's known for its mild garlic flavor and large bulb size, making it a favorite among gardeners and cooks alike. The cloves are large, making them easy to peel and use in cooking, and they can grow quite impressively in your garden. Why grow elephant garlic? Now, you might be wondering, why bother growing elephant garlic? Well, let me tell you, it's not just about the taste. Growing your own garlic is incredibly rewarding. You'll have access to fresh organic garlic right from your garden, free from pesticides and other chemicals. Plus, it's surprisingly easy to grow, even for beginners. Getting started, planting elephant garlic. Let's get our hands dirty, shall we? Here's how you can start growing your very own elephant garlic. Step 1. Choose the right bulbs. Start by selecting healthy elephant garlic bulbs. Look for bulbs that are firm, with no signs of rot or damage. Each bulb will produce several cloves, so pick out a few good ones to begin with. Step 2. Prepare your soil. Elephant garlic thrives in well-drained soil with plenty of organic matter. Choose a sunny spot in your garden and enrich the soil with compost or aged manure. Break up the soil to a depth of about 6-8 inches, 15-20 chem, to ensure good root growth. Step 3. Planting.
Planting elephant garlic is similar to planting regular garlic cloves.
Space the cloves about 6 inches, 15 chem, apart and bury them about 2-3 inches, 5-8 chem deep with the pointed end facing upwards. Water the cloves well after planting to settle the soil. Step 4. Care and maintenance. Now comes the easy part, caring for your garlic. Elephant garlic doesn't require much maintenance once it's planted. Watering, keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged, especially during the bulb formation stage. Weeding, remove weeds regularly to reduce competition for nutrients. Fertilizing, side dress with compost or a balanced fertilizer during the growing season to promote healthy growth. Step 5. Harvesting. After several months of growth, usually in late summer or early fall, your elephant garlic will be ready for harvest. Look for yellowing leaves and dig up the bulbs carefully using a garden fork. Allow the bulbs to cure in a warm, dry place for a few weeks before using or storing. Enjoying your harvest. The best part of growing elephant garlic? Enjoying the fruits of your labor, of course. Here are some delicious ways to use your freshly harvested bulbs. Roasting. Drizzle whole cloves with olive oil. Wrap them in foil and roast until golden and tender. Perfect for spreading on bread or adding to pasta dishes. Salting. Chop elephant garlic and salt with vegetables for a flavorful stir-fry or pasta sauce. Pickling. Preserve elephant garlic in vinegar for a tangy addition to salads and sandwiches. And there you have it, your guide to growing and enjoying elephant garlic. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, growing garlic is a fun and rewarding experience. Plus, you'll have delicious, homegrown garlic to elevate your culinary creations. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start planting your own elephant garlic today. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you later. Happy gardening and happy cooking.